cut that part. You can hear me now? Well, I was just excited. You missed the excitement. Well, welcome back to ShrayTV, baby. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are on this beautiful planet. Guys, welcome to another episode of ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. We've been calling for Bitcoin pump since the bottom, okay? $30,000, then $35,000. Exactly, okay? We called the bottom right here. And then we called for all this price action, all this, everything that we will pump to this range, 25 range, then we will dump. Then I said we will pump from here to this range, $30,000. And I mentioned that expect to dump. After that, expect to pump, expect to dump. Everything is out there. There's proof. There are videos. You go on my channel, look up any video from Jan of 2023. You will see the proof right here. We call the bottom, and I'm sorry, Jan of 2023 right here. From here, you watch any videos of mine, you will see everything in detail. But let me show you. Let me show you just a little idea of what we have accomplished. Guys, people don't realize, you know, this is not a cup of cake, you know. This is precise timing. Look at that $35,000, man. Look at that $35,000. We kissed 35. Boy, oh boy, man. Love it. Can you hear me now? How's everyone? How are my brothers from another mother? I know what he's saying though. ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. So, missed the beginning. Okay, nothing. Yeah, missed the beginning. I was just excited, bro. I was just excited about the pump. You know, I wanted to show you, okay? Let me share you something. People who are new to the channel so that they realize what we have been calling. Hold on. Let me show you. I have prepared little videos. Right, see when we pumped, we called for this pump, okay? This is daily. We called, look at the chart. We called for this pump right here. This pump, when we came to this number, I said that we are going to dump. When we came to this number, I said we are going to dump back down to this target. And we did exactly the same. From here onwards, I've been saying we were here. The whole market was bearish. Everybody on Twitter, anywhere, oh, we are going down to 10,000. Oh, we are going down to $17,000. And I kept on saying we are going to $35,000 right here. Okay, I have proof here. I'll remind you. I have to remind you. This is important. Okay, let me show you. For now, I don't think we'll be able to cross 30,000. This was the top for Bitcoin. 30,700 was the top. And Bitcoin now will consolidate up and down, and come back down to 27,000, between 27 to 26.5. And we did come back down, right, to our range. We went a little lower than our range, but again, the only problem here was I was expecting that we would pump, you know, we would pump here to 31, spend some time, and then go up to 35. But what we did was we spend more time at the bottom. We spend more time here at the bottom, and at 30, 31, we didn't spend much time and just went up, okay? That was the only difference in the timing. I shouldn't say the timing was right at the 35. If you look at the charts that I have on the Patreon, this chart here, see this chart, I said 31 and then 35, right? Here I have the whole trajectory for Bitcoin. I'm gonna share this. Only thing that I'm gonna share is Bitcoin. Rest of the stuff I'm not gonna share, but you know, for everybody. The rest of the stuff is for my Patreons. But look at this. And then after this pump, I said that we are going to dump to this level. From the dump, I said we are going to pump to $35,000. That is right here in this video here. This was, when was this? 25th of August, right, when we were around $25,809, I said we are going to pump to 35. And here, this video was shot on 21st of June when we reached the top, and I said we are going to come back down to $26,000 from $31,000. This video was from 21st of June 2023. All right, so let's watch this video. To $31,000. $31,000 from there, we waste some time, and then we go to $35,000. $35,000. Bitcoin. Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin right now is sitting on the edge. On the edge. And you start hearing a lot of bearish signals, but we've been adamant that we are going to go up. Bitcoin from here, expect a nice big green dildo. See? That green dildo, baby. Aren't you excited, man? This is so exciting for everyone. This proves shut the news off. Let's ride it. Yeah, exactly. Exactly, Brian. I was not listening to the news. Inflation, warmongering, any sort of news comes. But again, this $35,000 level is very, very crucial level. If we are able to break that, then we are going to between $48,000 to $55,000. Okay, $48,000 to $55,000, and that's gonna happen fast. Okay, what's going to happen next? A lot of people, they were like, "Hey, Shray, you've been calling for 35, but what happens next?" Yes, that's what's coming for Bitcoin. Between 45 to 40. I'm sorry, $48,000 to $55,000. Let's go deep dive into Bitcoin now. Let me shut these videos. You want me to leave these videos in the description? You can just go back to my channel and you will see. Just watch the videos from Jan until now and you will see what I've been saying. But yeah, where was I? Yeah, Bitcoin. Okay, let's do weekly for Bitcoin and let's play some music. This is sad. That's what I expect in Bitcoin right there. We will respect. I think we will respect this trend line. And I think by August of 2024, Bitcoin should be sitting somewhere around $74,000. That's what I think. Yes, you heard it right, and you heard it on ShrayTV, baby. Yes, between $72,000 to $77,000, Bitcoin is coming near you by August of 2024. Yes. Only if we are able to cross $35,000. $35,000 is a crucial level. If we are able to break that, and I think we will. I was pessimistic before, but that does not mean when Bitcoin's going up, that does not mean. A lot of people ask me, Shray, what about other coins? There are still other coins, like, for example, Alchemy Pay, which are going to go down, which are going to have another lower low. There are coins like Bitcoin Cash, which are going to crash, but it not at the moment. There is time for that crash, okay? There's time for that crash. That's why I have my Patreon, okay? That's why I have my Patreon. I cannot disclose all my cards for free. It's ShrayTV, baby, not free TV, baby. All right, so we are going $77,000. This was mentioned again on my Patreon right here. Look at this chart. Wave A. Third wave will be the longest wave. In between, what happens usually in the third wave? In the third wave, we have a break. That break could be between this range right here. Let's say, yeah, 47. Let's be conservative. So by December, I would say November, December, we should be looking at $48,000 to $55,000. We would spend some time in this region between 48 to 55 before we go up to $77,000. I think, yeah, 77, between 74 to $78,000. That's a range right here. But I think, but again, very, very important level is $35,000. If we convincingly break that, see the 618, this is a major level. From here, if you do your Fibonacci, these are main levels, okay, where Bitcoin has spent a lot of time. So if you do a Fibonacci from here, because we spend a lot of time here, we spend a lot of time here, that's why I'm pulling a fib from here to the bottom, right? We spend a lot of time here. So the fibs comes, the 2618 comes right here at $75,000, okay? So we are looking this region. Let me know if you're able to hear me, man. You're able to hear me? You're able to hear me clearly? Let me know. So, okay. Right here, the fib is calling for 2618 at 74, between 74, you know, we could push to 78, between 74 to $78,000. So in between, as I said, there are 5 waves. If you look at the Elliott waves, usually we go 5 waves. Wave 1, this was wave 1, wave 2, wave 3 is the longest and the fastest, okay? Biggest wave is wave 3. Wave 3 and 5 usually, right? So wave 3, I believe this is wave 3, right? And then we would crash back down from there to, you know, this range, $48,000 from 77, and then go back up to 100, right? 100, 125, that's the range. But because I do expect a big crash coming right before the election of 2024. So until then, we go into pump. Until 2024 is going to be a beautiful year for us. We are going to pump like a MF, okay? But in between wave 3, there's always a hiccup. A lot of people think, oh man, wave 3, it's straight up. No, we have, you know, in between a stop in wave 3. That stop may occur between $48,000 to $55,000. That's the range where I feel Bitcoin would stop. How it goes up, man, you know, we have to see that. Okay. Let me get this tight. Okay, so that's the range. That's what I'm expecting. $35,000, again, huge level. If we spend a lot of time, then that second scenario comes into play. Okay, second scenario is what I don't like. That is a very, very bad scenario, which I don't like, which would, you know, we would waste here for a few months, and then what happens? A freaking nosedive like that. Nosedive to 17,000, between 17 to 16.5. A nosedive. If we spend a lot of time here, that is going to prove me that we are going to go down to this level. But I don't think we will spend too much time in this range. If we don't spend too much time in this range, then we are going up to $48,000, okay? 48,000, and that's going to happen very fast, okay? That's going to happen, I think by November, December, you should be looking at, you know, $48,000, $55,000, and then we would spend some time here. So yeah, man, I'm excited, pumped, excited for altcoins as well. Some of the altcoins are not all the altcoins, okay? Let me go over altcoins again. I know majority of us hold a lot of altcoins. Nobody gives a damn about what happens to Bitcoin, but it's the mothership, okay, that tells you that what's going to happen next. So we have to keep a track of this mothership. Look at the Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance at one stage will come to this level. As I mentioned, look at the scribble I made. Look at the scribble from the top, I said we were going to come back down, the Bitcoin dominance, and then the dominance is going to go up, right? And then the dominance crashes after November, December. After November, December, the dominance starts to go down, bro. And this is where the alts are going to flourish. Beautiful alts. That's where the money will be made, baby. Okay? Money is coming. Money is coming. All our patience will be granted like a virtue. Virtue. You'll be like, destiny will be like, here, boy. You've been waiting for so long. You deserve it. We deserve it. We are not the lucky ones. We have worked very hard for this money. And it's going to come. It's going to come. Patience. VIP. All in one. Zabur Maruf. Yes. Tomik Joseph. How are you, brother? Nice to catch you live. God bless you. God bless you, man. Ned, BlackRock is already starting seeding for ETF in October. We are going way higher. MX Vision, this Shray way. Yeah, man. Vraj, how are you, brother? ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. Yes, SLP is going to pump, bro. SLP is going to pump. Just have to wait. Have some patience, okay? Have some patience. All those things are going to pump. But right now, there are a lot of people talking about delisting on Coinbase, right? There are many coins. See, if you are at the bottom, there are coins. I have gone fucked as well, okay? Like this coin, for example. Let me show you. What is that coin? ERSDL. ERSDL. This coin got delisted, man. I have still this coin sitting on, what is that thing called? Coinbase. It got delisted. It's down. Look, I have $10,000 in it. You know, waste of money. You can't sell it. I think they're selling on Uniswap, so I think we'll be able to sell this because it's still trading on Uniswap. But look, it pumped about 100%. You know, almost 200% in few days recently. But yeah, this got delisted. So many coins are getting delisted from what is it called? Exchanges like KuCoin. Then what's that big exchange? Coinbase. But look at this. This is perfect. This thing's gonna go up like a MF, and I'm gonna cash out and put that money in Bitcoin Cash, baby. I'm dreaming. But yeah, man, that's what happens. High risk, high reward. Those coins that we are buying, that is 99.99% down. What might happen to these coins is that they don't pump like the way you expect. This can go sideways like this all this time, and then have a pump like this and die down and do this, right? It's possible. I've seen coins do that. Let me give you an example. Revain. Okay, let me give you an example of that coin that I found. Look at this coin, man. It never got a bull market. It never got a bull market in, you know, just a little bit pump in 2021, right? This coin's been there since 2018 and never got a bull market. You be thinking that, oh man, you know, now it'll pump. Now it'll pump. Look at this. Same wedge. Usually this is the most bullish scenario that you can see in a crypto. This, you know, usually that's the bottom right here, and you start pumping. You go sideways and then you start pumping up. Okay, so that's the reason I like to be in cryptos where they are in upwards trajectory. I like to buy cryptos when they do this. Okay, when they are here. That's why I don't get into many cryptos. I don't believe in them, because once they start going up, this is when I buy, and this is when I get their levels. But until they don't start going up like that, until the bottom is confirmed, when they go up and then they crash, and built a nice foundation here on a trend line, and then they start going up. So this is when I like to buy them. Okay, not on the first instance, because it could be a coin like this which is dying, which is dead. Okay, and I don't want to waste my precious time and money all this time. This is a lot of time, bro. Holding bags. Imagine how long. This is 651, almost 777, 2.5 years of holding bags, and for nothing, while other coins are going up. That's why majority of my coins are in blue chip. There won't be a 50x profit, maybe 10x, 20x. I'm happy with 20x. At least, no, if I had that money in a house, my house is not even going double, okay? But my crypto is going 10 times. That's a lot of money. But anyways, we are looking for the 50x as well. But what I'm trying to say is, I put my money in those coins, but there are chances if they get delisted, it can go to zero. Okay, it can go sideways like that. No chartist, no TA would help. Okay, this is one of the most bullish price action that you can see. This is a falling wedge, which had been falling since 2008. It is one of the most bullish pattern, and this broke down. Nobody would have thought that this will break down. It went down like a motherfucker, right? Very, very bad. Rarely happens, but it did happen in this case, and it never got a bull market. So there are 22,000 coins. Majority of them are scams. Okay, even if they're not scams, they're businesses, which businesses can go out of business, right? So I don't want to be in a coin which will go out of business. So I am in nice coins that I think are going to do well. Okay, my coin of choices, I put it on my Patreon that I feel are safe. Again, nothing on the channel is a financial advice, guys. Just my opinion. This is my vlog. Okay, I love doing what I do. Monsanto. What are you saying, man? Raj. Shrey, thanks for rep V2. Flipped 6k BCH into Augur at 48 cents. Kraken exchange. Oh, nice. Jasmine being the same. Shrey, give me. Bro, stop it. If you're a girl, I like what you're saying. A good looking one, okay? Tomic, I think that person likes you, Shrey. Bro, I will put you on timeout. Okay, there are all guys here, but hey, I'm a boy. No. No bueno. The straightest man you can see on the planet, man. You're right in front of him, brother. It's haram to talk like that. I'm not Muslim, but I like, Andrew Tate uses that word often. So, one SLP too much. Oh boy. Okay. So, what I'm going to say was, like, for example, what's going to happen next. Okay. Let's look at Dogelon Mars. There are coins that will go see another bottom. Okay. Another lower low. I do think Alchemy Pay can possibly Again, I'm not God, but so far I've been true. I've been right on this coin, right? So far, so good. Okay, I've been right on this coin that we might. I think we have not seen the bottom for Alchemy Pay, and it's possible that we might go down while Bitcoin's going up. Alchemy Pay can drop. You know, I called, by the way, people who don't know, Alchemy Pay, I call the bottom right here. This was when my Patreon members bought, me and my Patreon, people who were in Alchemy, okay, I made some profit, you know, sold right here. All the levels were given. We sold right here, taking profits, clearly mentioned, taking profits right here on my Patreon. And then, you know, it dropped from there. How much did we drop from the top? So far, we have dropped 74%. And I think there is another 75 to, I would say, yep, 80% drop. 75 to 80% drop for Alchemy Pay is coming near you, okay? It's coming near you. Once that drop happens, boy oh boy, the numbers that I have for Alchemy Pay, you know, you cannot fathom. Those numbers are, the full chart is on my Patreon, okay? If you're wondering what is Patreon, what is this guy talking about? That is, you know, my membership. Right here. It's right here. Okay. When there's bull market, everybody would want to join my Patreon. At that time, I'm going to shut it down. Only loyal people who've been loyal so far to me, those are the ones who will stay in it. That's the Patreon. Monsanto heard green dildo and went nuts. Must be his first crypto live stream. ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, exactly. Zabur. Yes. Well, Alchemy Pay. So what I was going to say is, while Bitcoin's going up, there are coins like Alchemy Pay will be retracing almost 75 to 80%. 75 to 80%. On the other hand, see, there's this coin called Dogelon Mars, a meme coin. Meme coin. I think Dogelon Mars will do this. See why? I like the shark teeth pattern in Dogelon Mars. So Dogelon Mars, I think, would be heading towards these numbers right here. See? This range. Dogelon Mars. First stop for Dogelon Mars would be this, where you could see Dogelon Mars pump almost 200%, you know, move up like this. I think that's what's going to happen. I feel it's going to go up like that, create a higher high than these numbers, waste some time right there, waste some time, drop, then start moving up to this level right here. And then this is where it's going to waste majority of its time. The wick could go higher than this. You know, there would be a 5-second or 15-second wicks that would go like up there. But this is where I think it would waste majority of its time before it creates its new all-time high. A new all-time high for Dogelon Mars. So again, every crypto, what I wanted to show you is every crypto is going to act different. Okay, so you have to see where your crypto is in that cycle. Every crypto has its own cycle. There are cryptos which will make a lower low. There are cryptos which will go a little high and then go sideways, while Bitcoin is going to $74,000. Okay, so it depends on which crypto you are in. If you're stuck in something, you know, sometimes you have to cut your losses and get into something else. There are people with 20 coins, 30 coins, 40 coins, right? I don't think that's a good way to make your money. Me, eventually, what I will do, I will be between 3 to 4 coins. I had 22 coins. I have probably now six coins, 6 to 7 coins. I'm going to cut it short as we come closer to bull run. I'm going to, you know, probably 3 coins, 3 or 4 coins. That's it. Okay. I'm not so I can take profits. I can get out of the market, because this thing can keep on going up till 20. Some coins can reach their top in 2024 summer. Some coins will reach their top in 2025 and maybe 2026, right? So do I want to wait? I want to get out of this market as soon as possible. I want my money and adios. I will wait for the next downturn. You know, meanwhile, I will invest my money in a business which is generating income on a regular basis. On a regular basis, I'm earning money. While in the bear market, you know, I don't have to invest my funds, my profit. I buy that business, invest that capital in a business, in a generating income, which generates between $150,000 to $250,000 every year. So that money I can save and put back into the market. So my profit is with me. Okay, and it's invested into real estate or a business where the business goes up. I'm building equity, profit, goodwill, you know, win-win situation. Yep. Sounds easy to say these things, but tough to implement. So you have to have, you know, you need to know the number that number you get out. After that, the market goes 10 times, 20 times, 30 times, 50 times. You don't care. I know it sucks, right? But you have to have a number that this number I'm going to get out of the market. I am happy with this number. And even if that, there's always a buyer's remorse. You know, when people buy real estate, they buy a home and they're like, oh man, I should have waited. You know, I should have waited. When they sell a property at a certain price, they'll be like, oh my God, I should have waited. Right? That remorse will be always there, but you have to overcome that remorse. Luna Classic. Okay. Epic Cash seems to have shit the bed. What are the thoughts on the timeline for the previous prediction for Epic Cash? Bro, I mentioned Epic Cash. Zabur Maruf, Shray, drop me a dose of RSR. Thanks for the $3, bro. Thanks for the $3. RSR. By the way, I called the bottom here for Dogelon Mars. Okay, this was the bottom for Dogelon Mars. Okay, whosoever's listening, you gotta listen. This was the bottom. You know, if you're lucky, this thing drops maybe one more time. It could drop to this level before it goes up. Okay, but this scenario, this level is the bottom for Dogelon Mars right here. That is Dogelon Mars for you, ladies and gentlemen. Right, next level up for Dogelon Mars is a pump off, I would say. Pump off between 180 to 200% pump for Dogelon Mars, and then we waste some time there. Okay. So Epic Cash. Let's look at Epic Cash. No, RSR. Reserve right. That's the Bitcoin chart for reserve right. Did we retrace? 97%. Bro, it's just a matter of time. You should see some sort of pump soon. You see? But how much that pump's gonna be, I don't know. You know, this is a crucial level. This is a chart of RSR against Bitcoin, right? So this is a difficult level to cross. So what's gonna happen, I think, you know, RSR will pump against Bitcoin at some point. It could go up like that, up, and then come back down, right? Waste some time like that, and then start going up. Have a big cycle. Okay, so a pump against Bitcoin would be, you know, it could go up 500%. 500% would be 500 to 600% would be the level to watch for RSR against Bitcoin. So in dollar terms, it could be a little different. It could be more than in dollar terms. So let's look at the dollar chart, RSR. Yeah, see, I have the chart already ready for you, brother. My brother from another mother. Yeah, I would say 500% pump. Yeah, between, you know, here it shows me 400% pump, right? But yeah, I would, this should be the range, more likely. This should be the range right here. Okay, so on a weekly, maybe 500, 600% pump. I would not be surprised if we go, yeah, like that. Yeah, 500, 600% pump. Yeah, to this level. Right. Yeah, it looks, see, all the signs are there. You could pump to this level, 500, 600%, and then crash. You're very close to a pump like that, you know, 500, 600% pump, and then you see a dump to probably this level, right? Crash from there to, you know, 60, 70% crash. Between 0.009 to 1 cent could be the pump. Okay. Evening Shrey, Robert Richards, meme coins, BC drums. I have some Elon, my trust wallet. Okay. Can you check SBR, Saber, no label? How are you, brother? BC drums, evening Shrey, how's life been, buddy? Good to see you. Still waiting on late night live stream parties. Yeah, we'll do that, man. We'll do that. Yeah. I've been focusing, man, on the markets. You know, when I get some alone time. Today I was working till 7 o'clock in the morning, and then I slept. I woke up at around around 1:30 in the afternoon. My friend called me. No, not 1:30, 12:30. My friend called me, woke me up. I was like, okay. So I slept only 5-6 hours. But yeah, I've been working. I just don't come live. That don't mean that I'm not working, but I'm working really hard right now, trying to get everything together, right? This is a very important moment right now for us. This $35,000 level, Bitcoin. If we cross that, man, amazing. Good times are coming, bro. Good times are coming. But if we spend more time around $35,000, then expect a downturn. If we spend time like that, that will not be good news for Bitcoin. We would come back down to this level. Okay, so it depends how much time you spend, how much time Bitcoin spends between $35,000 to $37,000, you know, in this range is very important, very crucial. Okay, but I have a feeling that we will go up. And, you know, between $48,000 to $54,000 by end of the year. That would be the number. And by August of 2024, I would expect between $74,000 to $77,000 for one Bitcoin. Yeah, it's crazy. It's crazy, man. A lot of people say, hey, man, where the money's coming from? Where the money's coming from? They think that people like me and you pump all the assets. No, man. This is all candlesticks. This is not real money. It's fugazi. It's fugazi. Okay? This is all a bloody scam. Everything is a scam, or else I wouldn't be able to predict it if it was not a scam. How can an average person like me predict all this so precisely? So precisely if it wasn't a scam. This is bullshit, man. If I'm able to predict this, you know, I know there's human emotion and, you know, waves, Elliott waves and all this, you know, but how is it possible? How is it possible that a random person is able to predict every single move? This is, you know, this is not real. It's like generated from a computer, you know. This is called spoofing. This is not real money. So again, money is ours, okay? But eventually, end game is to make money, convert this money into real money and real assets. That's what we are there for. And we will do that. We will do that. But yeah, man. So all these, you know, it's just a joke. So, but I enjoy doing it because when you achieve something, it's like winning a game. It's like, you know, this is like a game for me. When you win a video game, it's fun, right? So right now I see this as going this way. Let me show you, okay? I have built a little arc. I'm a man. I'm not a chartist. I'm an archist. I love arcs. So I think there's a Noah's Ark like that, okay? And I think we will respect this arc and we'll go up like that, okay? See this? So we could spend a little time here at 35 and then we have to see if we break this arc. If this arc is broken, bad news for the whole market, okay? If this arc is broken, then we are going down. Bad news. Again, you have to mention, I have to say that there are coins. Again, let me show you. BCH against Bitcoin. Okay, BCH against Bitcoin. See this? I expect it to go down. Okay, like Alchemy Pay is gonna go down. Bitcoin Cash against Bitcoin is going to go down, bro. It's going to go down, baby. When is the question. So there are coins which are going to go down. Bitcoin Cash is one of them. But I expect it to go up first, reach this level, then go back down. Create another lower low, go back up, and then a final dump. So there is this time that we need to waste, right? This time here before we dump to this level. This will be the bottom. Again, it's called the double bottom. Double bottom would come for Bitcoin Cash, and this is where a new cycle for Bitcoin Cash will start. Okay, and it'll be very aggressive, but again, in all this we can make a lot of money. Will be made. Okay, we sold right here. I love volatility. If you go back and look at my Bitcoin Cash video, everything's out there. People who are new here, go just type Bitcoin Cash and type ShrayTV, and the first video that comes out, watch that video on YouTube. You will see I've mentioned this. This is where I am buying. In that video, it's very clear. It was here. I said that I was gonna buy a lot of Bitcoin Cash right here, and I did. I bought a lot here, sold everything right here, bought back everything right here in this range, and I do plan to sell half of my bags, not full, because you know it's a risk, but you have to trust your gut. I'm gonna sell half of my bags when we reach at this level. Whenever that happens, when I'm just waiting, when that happens, I'm gonna sell my bags when this reaches here, this level. This is where I'm gonna sell half of my bags, buy back here. There'll be a small pump, sell that small pump before it goes back down like that. Okay, that's my plan for Bitcoin Cash. So again, when I get bullish, I'm getting bullish for Bitcoin. Okay, there are coins which are going to go down, but this Bitcoin Cash is not going to go. I don't think will create a lower low. Might go between, in dollar terms, it might go between $150 to $120. Okay, but before that happens, it might go to between $300 to $310 in dollar terms before it goes down. This is, the chart that I'm watching, which tells me about the whole market, is this Bitcoin Cash chart. Okay, last time I was watching VThor, which gave me an idea that, so I'm looking at this coin's going to crash. I'm looking at Alchemy Pay, which is going to crash. So it's different, man. It's different, for different coins. Depends where your coin, in which cycle it is. Okay. So some coins are at the bottom, 70, 80% down. They need to pump. How can they dump? They can't dump. They're down already. So they need to pump to get the dump. Okay. It's different. The last couple of months were so boring. Totally. We get why you look. Oh, okay. Took a break. Yeah, man. Crypto equals pattern. Trust those charts. And in Shray, we trust. Boom. Brian, thank you, brother. Yep. Crypto and all the assets, bro. All the assets are patterns. But that's how it's rich people who create the whole market for gold, silver, stocks, everything. You have to, they play with your emotions because it's just like gambling. This is addictive. People get the rush. People's lives are boring, especially married people. Their lives are boring for men. And men have a lot of testosterone, a lot of energy, right? They need to spend somewhere. Once they get married, the excitement's gone. So either they play video games, they cannot hang out with their friends. So this is where the excitement comes from. Let's do crypto, let's do stocks. It's like, it's like risking it, right? They work so hard. Men work so hard. The blood and sweat, and they save some money, and they put their money into an investment that goes up and down, up and down. You don't even know psychologically, but this is what the adrenaline. It's like doing bungee jumping or, going boxing and winning a fight, right? So it's like that for men. That's why a lot of high risk takers, traders are high risk takers. So we all are high risk takers, but because we are men, man, we are balls. This is not simple shit. It's like going in a ring, bro, because we all work hard for our money and we invest our money into, some of the things that are really stupid, like meme coins. Bro, you got to have balls to do all this stuff. Not many people have that. And when you make that money, you deserve that. You deserve that. You have worked really hard. But you have to be wise, right? LUNC. The last couple of months. Okay, let's look at LUNC. Rudge always comments on my videos, and one of the first ones to be here. I've never seen Rudge not comment on my videos. Once the video is done, after that, a lot of people put a comment on the videos. This helps the algorithm, guys. Make sure you hit the like. Guys, make sure to hit the like. What's happening with the likes? Because, see, this video will go to more people. If there are more likes, there are more comments. That means YouTube algorithm will think, oh, man, this is something important. Let's push it out to more people, right? So do that. You can say one day, I know that guy, man. I know he's my buddy, right? All the old ones will be my friends. When I get, big, eventually I will. What's going to happen, right? What's going to happen? I will remember my old pals. These my friends. I will remember. Where was I? Looked at RSR, right? and Luna, LUNC. Bro, any day, anytime, this thing's gonna pump. It'll pump like a MF, okay? Any day, anytime. Look at this. You know, create a double bottom. This is the bottom. Right here. Create a double bottom. I don't think we go any lower than this. You know, good number, man. This is a good number. I like it. But again, coins like this, if it gets delisted, you know, what do you do? What do you do? You know, this is going to be a very tumultuous coin to be in, okay? Very tumultuous coin. When I say tumultuous, that means I do think this coin at some point has the ability to reach this level. But it'll be crazy. It'll be like a meme coin, bro. But imagine it reaches this level. 10 cents. I'm not saying it will, but the chart, you know, tells me it has the ability to do that. Depends, you know, how people are behind them, you know. If they want to make that happen, they will. It'll go like this, okay? Something like this, okay? You go up, come back down, go up, come back down. It'll be like this, okay? It'll be tough to hold this coin, okay? Because it could spend a lot of time in this region before it starts to go up, okay? A lot of time in this region, okay? Just wanted to give you a heads up. It could be like this. See this? Yep. That's how I see Luna. But that's crazy. The numbers, you look at the numbers. This bloody meme coin. Look at that. 100,000%. It's crazy. You know, I would not put, you know, just me, not more than $1,000. You know, it's just like, it's like gambling, you know. This thing can disappear, go to zero. You know, I would put $500, $1,000. See, ride it. If it gets delisted, it goes to zero. It's fine. Imagine, but if it does this, what's gonna happen? Wow, right? I have money in Luna. I have Luna, Wrap Luna. Nobody's selling Wrap Luna. I have money stuck in Wrap Luna. You know, maybe $2,000-$3,000 right now. You know, $2,000-$3,000, not more than that. Because yeah, maybe not even two. Maybe yeah, it's gone down. How much did it drop? At one point, it was like $40-some thousand. Yeah, $4,000. 4,000. Yeah. Okay. Part time ahead. Hello, Shray. This week, 2 years ago, I started watching you. Thank you for more than 1,000 videos. Oh my God. Thank you, brother. Thank you. Thank you for appreciating. Thank you for acknowledging that there are more than 1,000 videos. 1,000 videos. There's a lot of videos, a lot of time, a lot of dedication goes into it, right? Thank you, man. I appreciate you. Thank you. Thank you for noticing. You know, you made me emotional. Love you, man. Thank you. Where was I? Okay, let's see what is pumping and what is dumping in the markets. Right. Maybe find a gem. This video is very important. Today's video is very, very important. Send it to as many friends as you can, you know, that can save them. Make it or break it video. I call this videos like this, make it or break it. Save this video. You know, you can put this every time, you know, favorite is. So you can, you know, go back and listen to it, right? See, grasp those points. I'm giving all this information for free, bro. You know, I've spent too much time in charting and doing all this, right? So you can learn. You can learn. Mina protocol. Rivain. That didn't we look at this coin Rivain today? And I said that shit coin like this. Look at that. That shit coin's pumping, bro. I just gave an example of this coin today, Rivain. That how it never got a bull market. But look at this. Is this the same coin? Again, this is from May of 2022. We don't have... Yeah, we don't have this coin's data. Let's see if we are able to find it on somewhere else. Rivain. It's on Bittrex. Oh, wow. So, look at this chart. This coin. So, this has the full data. So, on Bittrex, you have this coin from here onwards. Look at this. You see this? That is this coin right here. So it went even lower than that, man. This thing just went down 100%. Look at that. If you were new, somebody was new, they would think, oh, this coin went down. Let's see, how many percent? 95% from here. But you don't see the full cycle, right? That was here. So when you look at it, let's look at the top. How much was the top? It was $4.57. So let's see, $4.57. $4 and let's see, $4.50. Okay. So a drop off, bro, this dropped 100%, like went to zero. Okay, this thing went to zero and it's pumping right now, and this coin is still alive. I am surprised that this coin is alive. Right, went down to 100%. It's still down. You can call it 100%. If you look at the top, from the top, $4.57 was the top. From there, it's still down 100%, even after this 50-60% pump. Scam, man, scam. How much did it pump? Let's see from the bottom. You know, I would put $100 in it and just see, you know, where it goes. I would put $100. Why not? You know, risking $100, maybe $200, $500, coins like this, just to play around, have a story. Because I have a story for Luna. I put like $900, that went to $45,000. You know, so I have a story to say, right? It was amazing, you know, that Luna, when it was dropping, when it was dead, when it was zero, I bought it on KuCoin. It was crazy. In just 4 or 5 days, it was $45,000. It was crazy. So this could be one of those coins. Where is it available? Let's see. Where is this coin available? Rivain. Well, a few exchanges. None of them are in the US, but you know. Yeah, Bittrex is the only, I think, good one, which stopped. They used to be in the United States. They stopped servicing United States. They don't do it anymore. It's not on Uniswap, but $20,000 on Bittrex volume, and Probit Global, $26,000. So yeah, not bad, not bad. Market cap 13 million. Still, it went to zero and still holding $13 million market cap. Boy, oh boy. So, when am I buying? Alchemy Pay. There, I just told you about the bottom of Alchemy Pay, right? Alchemy Pay. Look at the market cap. Alchemy Pay. I've done a lot of research on this crypto. Okay, a lot of research. Look at this guy. This guy looks like my cousin. Look. That's why I like Alchemy Pay. Man, smart guy. Look at this. You know, this guy. What's his name? Nikhil Vishwanathan. He's the founder of Alchemy Pay. Alchemy Pay. It says Nikhil Vishwanathan is an American entrepreneur and a public figure. He is the co-founder and the CEO of Alchemy, the blockchain company backed by Stanford University, the Google chairman, Charles Schwab, Reid Hoffman, and other billionaire founders and executives. Previously, Vishwanathan co-founded Down to Lunch, a social hangout iPhone app, which hit #1 in the App Store. So this guy knows what he's doing, and there are a lot of news. One of the recent news about Alchemy Pay was that it got this was the news. That it got money transmitting license in one of the states in the United States. See, the company has obtained a money transmitter license in the state of Arkansas, joining the ranks of crypto giants like Coinbase, Jack Dorsey. This license, issued by Arkansas Securities Department, permits Alchemy Pay to provide various financial products to its user base in the United States. So this is not some Joe Schmo project. I think this is, they got something on their belt, and that thing's gonna drop another 70%, bro. And if I know my charts, this thing's gonna drop here. And I'm gonna go all in into this coin, because yeah, right here in this range, I'll be buying. Yeah, I like this project. And the news around it. There's nothing going on with other bullshit projects, so this could be my shitcoin. You know, like I shouldn't say shitcoin, it's a good coin, but this is one of my gambles that I would, you know, there are coins which I'm expecting to pump, which I'm going to switch profits from those coins. If I'm lucky, if God permits me, you know, if I get those gains that I'm expecting on those coins, those gains, I'm going to wait and I'm going to convert that, buy them here on this coin, and see where it goes. Okay, that's where I think this thing is one of the charts where I think we're going to get maximum gains if I buy here. Okay, all Indian guys are smart, lol. There are so many founders. You know, Solana has an Indian founder. Not many people know about it. Yeah, man. Anything geeks, man. Geeks. A lot of geeks. Indian geeks. Guys, make sure to hit that like. Watch ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. This stream's been long. How long we been there? We've been there for almost an hour, guys. You want me to stay or leave? Let me know. I need some break. Okay, give me a break. Raj Patel, yeah, even though Matic, Akash Network, all Indian dudes. Okay, really? Yeah, I was not aware of that. That those people, the founders were Indian. Stay, let's ride. Okay, Brian. Stay, Shray. I send you a tip. Alex M. Where is that? I didn't see it. It's fine, bro. Okay, let's try to find gem. So again, this is a gamble that we found. Revain coin is again a gamble, big gamble. So I was talking about when would I buy this coin when it's somewhere around between 16 million, 17 million dollar market cap. Right now it's 77 million. A drop 70 to 80% would take it to between 17 to 15 million dollar market cap. This is when I would get into this coin, and I would expect the market cap of this coin in a bull market between 1.5 to 2.5 billion dollars. Okay, you heard it on ShrayTV, baby. Alchemy Pay. I think the market cap of this coin could go between 1.5 to 2.5 billion dollars. Right now it is at 77 million dollars, and I think it'll drop to between 17 million to 15 million dollars. This is the range where I would get into this coin. Yep. Ride it, baby. Ride it. Okay. There's one more coin that I listed on thing was XRP. What is happening with XRP? Why am I not rich yet? XRP was supposed to pump, baby. Where is my XRP? Let's look at XRP. Look at the Fed fund rates, by the way. If you know, I see everything, bro. Okay. A lot of people think that I'm just looking at crypto. No, I'm watching Fed funds rate. I'm watching inflation numbers. And not only in the United States, I track China, I track India, I track Europe. My eyes are everywhere. And this is one of the most important charts, which will tell us what's going to happen with the economy, with the stock market, with the crypto market. So, see, this is how I see it. Right now, we are here. So, we are 5.33, the Fed's fund rate. That means this rate is set by United States Federal Reserve. So I do think, why am I so bullish that 2024, 2025 will be a good year, right? Why? Because the Fed funds rate might go, it's curving. You see how the chart is? It's curving, and it will curve. This curve might go up a little bit, might go up a little bit. I'm not saying it might not. It is possible. It might go up a little bit, and then it would curve back down like that, and would come and sit on this channel. See this? Could even go lower than that. Okay, so this is where money making, what happens when interest rates go low. What happens? There's more money in the economy. People take more loans. People take more debt, right? More businesses are generated. There's more money in the market. Easy, free-flowing money, right? What's going to happen? Brings up the market. But what's going to happen after that is a disaster that waiting to happen. What happens after 2026? The rates go as high as 10%. 10%, bro. You know what's going to happen? Mortgages Mortgages will be 12%, 14%, 15% mortgages. Okay, man. It'll be a nightmare scenario, nightmare, when this interest rate goes up to 10%. It'll be crazy, bro. But it'll be a great time to buy if you have cash. Imagine you have $1 million, you have $500,000 cash. Nobody's buying a house at 10%, 15%. Nobody's able to afford to buy a house because those interest rate, right? Very few people. And you have to have excellent 800 credit score. The guidelines will be very strict. A lot of foreclosures, right? Because people won't be able to afford that 10% mortgage. A lot of businesses will go out of business, and you have that money. You have cash. You have cash. You have cash sitting, at the right spot. You go out there, when blood out there, you buy fucking everything. Yeah, that's how you become rich. You don't become rich by working 9 to 5. Never. You have to see an opportunity in the market and grab it. The opportunity comes a very small window. Very small window. So this window is like, between 2030, 2031, 32. This will be the window where you go and buy. Go out there and buy the world right here in this range. And when it starts crashing, that means a new boom will start. A new boom will start. Until 2030, it's going to be bad. It's going to be bad. And it aligns with the 2030 agenda. The UN, I shouldn't say, I shouldn't talk about it, man. My channel will get messed up. Okay. This stuff I will talk about on my Patreon. It aligns with, all the stuff that that I expect, all my research. But it's going to be bad, man, until 2030. You think economy is bad right now? Wait for it. What happens after 2026, bro? In 2024, I'm not gonna wait for it. I will be out in 2024. Take my money, not be greedy, and out. I don't want to wait for what's about to happen. I'm gonna take my money out, bolt out. That's what they call it, bolt out. Watch Shay almost caught up, watching up on fast speed. Epic Cash is the only gem. Oh, okay. Let me look at Epic Cash. Okay. I didn't look at my XRP. Let me just look at XRP first. See the green dildo mentioned in XRP? I expect XRP between this range. If we don't go up right now, in next few months, if we don't reach this level, soon we should be sitting at this level, okay? The weekly should look like this. The weekly numbers, when that happens, when XRP starts to go, it's gonna go like this, okay? Big green. You know what I mean, right? Big green candles will be seen on a weekly or monthly. It'll be like this, okay? I do expect XRP to hit this, and you see this candle? It's already starting, man. I think the pump is just about to start for XRP. I think XRP is gonna go ballistic. If we don't, then what lies beneath us is very, very bad. Okay, if we don't pump right now, what can happen to XRP is we dump back down. We go like this and make a lower low below these levels, lower low to probably 25 cents, maybe possibly 21 cents. Okay, it's possible, but I don't think that happens. And XRP goes up. Let's see. It's very confusing. Very, very confusing. Okay. We'll see. I have my eyes on. I'm not selling my XRP till it reaches between $8 to $10. That's where I think XRP is going. But right now, this is what I'm expecting. I would expect this to pump to between 155 to $170, $1.70 XRP. That's what I'm expecting. Let's see how it plays out. But I'm excited. Look at this candle. If you're able to break this resistance, boy oh boy, man, it'll be fun. It'll go straight shoot up, you know, to $1 very quickly. That XRP will be like boom, dollar, boom, $1.50. It'll be fun. Okay, now I will look at the Epic Cash. We've talked about Epic Cash a lot on this channel. And look at this. Right? It came to our level that we were expecting, bro. Right? Nothing to worry. And it's sitting perfectly at the level where we want. And again, it might spend some time here. Before it starts pumping. But when it starts pumping, this is the number we are looking at, between $8.75 to $12. This is the range I'm looking for this coin, Epic Cash. And it will happen. It'll happen. That pump will be magnificent. But I think for now, this is where we stop. Yeah, this is the bottom. For, you know, this was the bottom, local bottom. We pumped, dumped, and we will stick to this trend line. That is it. 46 cents. Awesome, awesome, awesome price for Epic Cash. I think it's a good number. Watch saying green dildo. That freak will come back. I'm out, brother. Much love. You're the best. ShrayTV, baby. Yeah, man. I know, bro. I'm hungry. Let's see what else is pumping. You don't need to be a lot of people, you know, you just don't need to be in 4 or 5 coins, man. That's it. You don't need much to get rich. I'm trying to find something that, you know, I really like and I've heard about it. Blue Zell's pumping. Pepe. I've never looked at Pepe at all. Let me look at Pepe. Okay, let's look at Pepe. I like coins which are well known, popular. Pepe is quite popular. Let's see if I have Pepe here. Is this a full chart of Pepe? I don't know. This is a full chart of Pepe. Let's try to find a full chart of Pepe. Yeah, I think that's all we have for Pepe. Yeah, I would not get into it. No, I don't like it. Yeah. I saw Coinbase. Did Coinbase have Pepe? Yeah, that's the chart basically. Yeah, man, I would not get into it. This is scary. You know, if it's gonna go up, it goes up without us. It's fine. I am fine with it. Let's see what's the market cap for Pepe. $392 million in a bear market. This coin, again, how much, it'll go say $1 billion, $2 billion. Pepe. That's a lot of money, man. A lot of money. Let's look at one coin that I like. It's a meme coin, but what is it called? It's called DC. Dogechain. Dogechain. Let's see what happened to Dogechain. I like this coin. It's a meme coin. See the scribble that I had? I'm not bullish until this March, April of 2024. So you see the scribble? Something like this, it could be expected. We are at the bottom right here. And this is the number. 618 would be the first stop. So 618, that is a 25x, bro. 25x for this coin. It's called Dogechain. Dogechain. This is a meme coin, but again, it has a utility. It makes Dogecoin. This is a blockchain developed for Dogecoin specifically to have DeFi on Dogecoin, to do other things on Dogecoin, make it usable, more usable. So I think it's bullish because look at the market cap for Dogechain. DC. $12 million is the market cap. Okay. So I personally think it's possible. Again, high risk. Okay. Anything like this is high risk. High risk. Any meme coin. It's like, you're putting your money at risk. But what I like about this is not only meme coin, it has a utility to it. Okay. So when this here, let's look at the weekly. We'll get a better picture. Yeah, man. Look at this. So even if we pump right now, I think there's a possibility we might dump. Even if we pump to these levels, I think it's possible we might dump, come back down one more time before we skyrocket to the levels that I'm looking at. 618. Okay, so I think it's a good price here for this coin. $12 million is, low market cap. Dogechain. So what is Dogechain? See, Dogechain is a EVM compatible proof of stake POS blockchain designed to complement the Dogecoin cryptocurrency. The blockchain is intended to bring stability, robustness, and security and utility to Dogecoin. So this is not just a meme token. Dogechain, I think it has a lot of value because Elon Musk, man, he's gonna make something of Dogecoin. And look at the Dogecoin market cap. This is not some Joe Schmo token. I don't think there's something big to Dogechain. I could be wrong, but look at the market cap of Dogecoin. It is one of the top assets, bro. One of the top assets is Dogecoin. Top 20 assets. If you have Dogecoin in it, look, Dogecoin. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 7. Seventh largest cap. $760 $7 million in market cap. No, that was volume. Sorry. This is, oh my God, 9.4 billion, bro. This thing is not going anywhere. Dogecoin, I think, will be there forever. Forever. Something big is coming for Dogecoin. 9.4 billion. This is crazy. Crazy amount of money in Dogecoin. So, you know, I think something big is coming for Dogecoin. People would not invest, you know. Or it's one of the biggest scam. Let's see Dogecoin. Let's look at the chart of Dogecoin just for fun.
Tell me you love me.
You know what I see Dogecoin is similar to, say for example, you see this, it reminds me of Bitcoin. When you look at Bitcoin, brave new coin, the oldest chart for Bitcoin, is brave new coin. If brave new coin. What is it called? Brave new coin. Fucker. It's a ticker symbol. I forgot. Guys, remind me. What's the ticker symbol for Bitcoin? Can you please check XEC coin? Alex, chart is scary, but could go parabolic. Jasmine, Raj. Hold on. Let me see. What oldest chart of Bitcoin? Let's see. Oldest chart of Bitcoin. BLX. Yeah, that's the number. BLX. That's the ticker symbol. So BLX. Here's the one. This is one of the oldest charts for Bitcoin. If you look at that. Look at this. We've been thinking Bitcoin was still there. A lot of people don't realize that this is not the full chart of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was still here, you know, doing this, right? Doing this, right? We don't have that chart here, but look at this. The chart that is missing for Bitcoin is this chart here. So Bitcoin was like this. I think Bitcoin was like this here, because Bitcoin came out in 2008, so you know it was doing this like that, okay, and then it went up. So if you look at that, look at Dogecoin, right? See what I'm talking about? Look at Dogecoin. Look at this. We'll be going for another ride, bro. Another ride for what? If you look at Dogecoin, it has a tendency to go up like crazy, right? So it could possibly waste some more time before it goes up like crazy. You know, it could do this before it starts to go up like that. Okay. Because I think any sort of if you look at Dogecoin, how it acts, it just acts in bursts. Like in just few days, it just creates huge candles. So it's possible that we might waste some time for Dogecoin before we go for another run, because nobody is expecting for it. Like, how much would be the market cap for Dogecoin, man? Look at that. If it goes to $1, if it goes to $1, $2, that'll be crazy, bro. It's $9 billion right now already in Dogecoin. In the bear market at the bottom, it's $9 billion. If this thing goes up, how much? Look at this. From here, if it goes to $1, it's almost, you know, almost 16x if it goes to $1. 16x. So say it's almost 10 billion right now. 16 times, you know. Wow. So yeah, man, this is scary. So I have some Dogecoin, but yeah, is that much money is going to go into Dogecoin? If this thing crashes, if it's a scam, then man, it's not gonna look good. At some point, if this thing crashes, it'll be a bad day. Bad day. It'll be bad. But I don't think so, you know, because there are many things lined up. Elon going crazy. I can only imagine what could happen in the future. Yep. Brad C, ETC crypto. Yeah, I love ETC. Bunkim, hello ShrayTV. Can you please check XCC? Okay, let me look at XCC. Again, Andrew. E-cash. Okay, XCC, I guess that's what it's called, E-cash. What do you think, guys? It looks ready? E-cash looks ready? It could stay in this range forever, okay? In this range, E-cash could stay in this range like that. Goes up, comes back down. Goes back up, comes back down. And then suddenly one day, out of nowhere, it creates a new all-time high like that, okay? Many coins, I've seen many coins do that, okay? So how long we stay in this channel, because it looks like it likes to stay in this channel, right? If you're able to break this convincingly, we start going above this level, then I'll be confident in this coin. Then I would jump in this coin. Tries to go above this coin, that means a big run is coming, a new all-time high. Whenever that happens, you catch the wave, you know. But until, you know, I don't think it'll pump. Come back up to this level, come back down, you know, maximum to this level. So when I say this level, that means I pump off 150, 180%, 170% maximum. Convincingly, we have to break this level. If we break this level, then, you know, I would get into it. Then still I'll be a little skeptical, because what it could do is come to 786 or 618, come to 786 or 618 and dump from there, bro. These levels are very important. What it could do is come to 618 right here and dump like that. Okay, all the way back. Do this, you know, until 2026, and then big pump comes, you know, I should say after 2026, you know, not after 2026. What I'm talking about, like, you know, this could be the top, you know, like if it would create something like this. And it would take a long time for this thing to pump. And it would pump. You know, good times could possibly come for E-cash like this. But it might take a long time. Yeah. 2028, 2030, you know. It's possible. It's scary right now. It's scary. I don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. Because I think a pattern like this could spend a lot of time. So my lot of time could be wasted while other coins are going berserk, going mental. And this could be stuck. The worst scenario is being stuck in this channel. If it pumps to 618 level, 786 level, I'll be very happy. I would cash out. So that would be 618 is 500%, 550, 786 is almost 8x. You know, so it's possible it pumps between 5 to 8x, but I wouldn't be expecting anything more than that. You know, I could be wrong. I could be wrong. It could be like Ethereum. If you look at Ethereum, look at ETH. How ETH was when it started. Could be like Ethereum. Right? Dumps like that, and then, you know, pumps. We'll have to see. Monitor it, because the way I personally don't like it. Thoughts on leash? Doge, BTC, BCH, LTC. Andrew, these are good coins, the most bullish. They are forks of BTC. Yes, I like all of them, but I prefer more Bitcoin Cash and Litecoin. Doge is good. I have Doge, but I don't have much in Doge. $5,000-$6,000. That's it. No more than that. You know, it could be, but just the market cap scares me. You know. But Bitcoin Cash, hell yeah. Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin. I love both coins. Ned. Doge killer is called Leash. Leash. Let's look at Leash. Where can I find USDT pair, man? What is this? Is it just on Uniswap? What is this? What's the ticker symbol, bro? Doge killer. That's what it's called. Let's see if I can find it. Oh, can't find it. Doge King, Doge Killer. Where is the chart? Where's the chart, my friend? Let's see what exchanges is this thing available. Market cap 33 million. Leash. Oh, it's on Shiba Swap. Shiba Swap. Oh, gate.io. It's available, so there should be a chart. Why can't I see LEASH? Let's see. I got it. I got it, my friend. like the previous one, you know, we have to make sure we are able to get out of this thing. What I like about this coin, look at that. So had a breakout and came back down to the triangle. How much did it retrace from? I'm not sure if this is the full chart. I don't know. Just guessing. Why is it so expensive? What's the market cap and total supply? Only 100,000. Leash. I don't like coins that are too expensive. You know, broke people usually like coins that are 0.001, 0.009. You know, it's a mental thing for them just to look at those numbers. They always come to conclusion, what if this thing goes to $1? Okay, that's their thing. You know, when they look at these numbers like $315 for something, not many people would get into a coin that is only one coin they can get for $315, because, you know, broke people like, you know, big numbers with decimal points. They were like, oh man, what if this thing goes to $1? I was like one of them. My child, inner child in it will be like, oh man, what if this thing goes to $1? Mark target for LTC BTC is 0.01. Andrew, okay, let me look at Litecoin, brother, for you. LTC BTC is 0.01. Let's look at this. Let's look at our who's texting me? Aaron. No, I'm busy. Yeah, man, you have good targets. I think it's going to that point. Look at this. See this wedge at some point, bro. Look at this. The scam wick. Look at the scam wick. Where did the scam wick go? Look at that, bro. Yeah, I would not be surprised if it goes to this number. Absolutely. Look at this. So yeah, 0.01, that is 8x. Easy. 8, 9x, easy. These are easy numbers we're talking about, bruh. So 0.01 of one Bitcoin. So Bitcoin, you know, calculate, man. Bitcoin's what? $35,000, $33,000. Let's say Bitcoin's sitting at, say, be conservative and say $50,000 into 0.01. $500 for Litecoin. In dollars. Let's look at dollars. Litecoin. Yeah. So, I was being conservative. I think Bitcoin is going to $77,000. First we go to 45, 48 to between $48,000 to $55,000. Then come back down. We go to between $74,000 to $77,000. Come back down, and then go to $100,000. Right. So we could be looking at a nice jump for my friend here. This thing could be going for a nice bump to $1,000. Yes, $1,000 Bitcoin. Easy. I'm sorry, $1,000 Litecoin looks like an easy target for me. At some point, this thing's gonna go ballistic like that. It's gonna go straight up. Okay, to between $1,000 to $1,200. $1,000 to $1,200 for a Litecoin. I know it sounds ridiculous, but these are the numbers. I would be going for. Yeah, look, 618 comes to $1,000, perfectly to $1,000, between $1,000 to $1,200 for a Litecoin. Yeah, doable, brother. Doable. Easy. And it'll be aggressive when that happens. It'll be aggressive. Yeah, right now it's 60 to 70. Absolutely, bro. 84 million circulation. Yeah. I love Litecoin, brother. Yeah, you don't have to tell me. $90,000 Bitcoin in 2024 free? No, I don't think so. Between $74,000 to maximum $80,000 Bitcoin in 2024. Then we'll waste some time, and then comes the real deal. What happens after that? I don't know, because I'll be out, brother. I will be out. We can go to 100,000 after that, but there's a chance the top could be in 2024, and we might not get $100,000. Okay, so yeah, let's see. We will see how the market's gonna tell me what is happening. I cannot say stuff right now. Right now, my trajectory is towards $100,000 to $125,000, but let's come to $77,000 first. Let's see how much we retrace, and let's see where the other coins are. I have to see all the levels, and which is going to tell me how the future holds, right? What the future holds. I cannot, technical analysis, and you have to see all the options, right? It's been almost 2 hours, man. This is a marathon, right? A lot of information in this video. Make sure to save this, okay? This is one of the most important lives. Save it, okay? I will see you later, guys, okay? You have a good day, good morning. Good times are coming. We are going to be rich, okay? Or die trying. Nobody's gonna die. Fuck that shit. You're gonna make it, brother. All right? Love you all.